Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you a new session in which I will be dealing with you the previous year question paper, not previous year, I would say that the examination was held in the year 2021. Yes, I am talking about Punjab University LLM entrance examination. The answer key was released on 10th of August 2021 and this examination is over, but I missed out on this examination and also I didn't discuss the admission notification of the same. So I thought, why shall not I discuss the question paper so that you could have an idea about what kind of questions they set. So first of all, I'll start with the eligibility conditions and scheme of the test. So this is the prospectus of PU set, and here I will only be discussing about the courses what they offer. So they offer Master of Laws, LLM 1-year course and LLM 2-year course. A person who has passed one of the following examinations shall be eligible after qualifying the entrance test to join the first semester class of LLM exam. So what's the eligibility? It's LLB 3-year, LLB or BCom LLB 5-year degree examination of this university with minimum 55% or any equivalent examination of another university recognized by the syndicate for this purpose. So a candidate needs to score at least 55% marks, and in case of SC, ST, BC and PWD, that's a relaxation of 5% marks. And if you belong from another university, you are also eligible to apply for the same. And let us discuss the scheme of the test. The duration of the entrance test will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. The entrance test will be of 100 marks. So the entrance test is of 100 marks and the total number of questions are 100. The questions will be based upon following 4 components. So these are the subjects and this is the marks distribution. So let us see. Constitutional law, administrative law, service law, environmental law and human rights law. So this is the component, first component, and there will be total number of 50 MCQs and each shall carry 1 mark. Indian Penal Code, CRPC law of evidence, 15 questions will be there from these components of 1 mark each. Jurisprudence, 10 questions will be there, 1 mark each, and family law, law of contract, law of torts, public international law, labor laws and company law. So there will be a total number of 25 MCQs, 1 mark each. So they have already given the components or say the marks distribution of each subjects. So now I'll start with you the previous year question paper, which is 2021 LLM entrance examination. So let us see what are the kinds of questions. So today I will be dealing with the total number of 100 questions. So no worries if I haven't discussed with you this year. This question paper will be very much helpful for your next year preparation. So let us start. Which among the following Constitutional Amendment Act reduced the age of voting from 21 years to 18 years? This is option number C, 61st Amendment Act. 2. For how long a joint sitting of both the houses of parliament may be convened to consider a bill which was passed by one house and pending in another house? This is option number B, 6 months. 3. How many former presidents have been awarded Bharat Ratna till now? This is option number C, 6. 4. Which among the following union territory had a judicial commissioner's court prior to 1981? This is option number C, Daman and Diu. 5th. In which year Burma got separated from India via Government of Burma Act? This is option number D, 1935. 6th. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? This is option number B, Warren Hastings. 7th. The tribal areas of which states are included in the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India? This is option number B, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. 8. How many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution of India? This is option number C, 11. 9. To whom does the President of India address his resignation? This is option number D, Vice President. 10th. In which of the following institutions the judges of the Supreme Court are allowed to work after retirement? This is none of the above. 11. Which Constitutional Amendment Act abolished the privy purses and privileges of the former rulers of princely states? This is option number A, 26th Amendment. 12, according to which constitutional amendment defectors have no more protection on grounds of splits, is option number A, 91st. 13, how many subjects do the union list presently have? This is option number C, 97. 14, which of the following doesn't form the main jurisdiction of High Court? This is option number D, advisory jurisdiction. 15, under the new Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, the illegal migrants were Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Parsis and Christians from the following one country is eligible for citizenship, ineligible for citizenship. This is option number A, Myanmar. 16, which of the following personalities was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? This is option number D, Mahatma Gandhi. 17, in which year a study team on Panchayati Raj finances under K. Santhanam constituted? This is option number A, 1963. 18, how many members can be nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha respectively? This is option number A, 12 and 2. 19, which of the following was given the status of state by the Constitutional 30th Amendment Act 1962? This is option number B, Nagaland. 20, power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces, etc. is a basis of which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution? This is option number B, Article 33. 21, the preamble to the Constitution of India secures justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to option number C, all citizens. 22, National Voters' Day celebrated on option number 25th of January 23. Which among the following amendments of the Constitution of India, Delhi was designated as National Capital Territory? This option number B, 69th Amendment Act. 24, who appoints the members of the National Commission for Essays? Is option number B, President. 25, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment? This is option number A, Part 20. 26, the Compensatory Afforestation Fund Act was enacted in which year? This is option number C, 2016. 27, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act was enacted in which year? This is option number B, 1960. 28, the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 consists of how many schedules? So I missed out on this question. So I'll leave a comment in the comment section below about what should be the correct option of question number 28. 29, the Environment Protection Act 1986 consists of how many sections? This is option number C, 27. 30, the International Biodiversity Day is celebrated on option number C, 22nd of May. 31, what is the sanctioned strength of Central Administrative Tribunal excluding the chairman? This is option number B, 65. 32, where is the headquarters of Central Vigilance Commission? This is option number A, New Delhi. 33, in which year was the Committee on Public Undertakings constituted by the Lok Sabha? This is option number D, 1964. 34, the Union Public Service Commission of India has been established under the option number A, Article 315. 35, the claims of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to services and posts have been provided in the Indian Constitution under option number B, Article 335. 36, suspension is option number C, temporary detachment from service. 37, presently post-based reservation rosters are being implemented. This is option number B. 38, the total percentage of reservation should not exceed 50% at any given point of time as decided by Supreme Court of India. 39, which is the least penalty that can be imposed? This is option number C, censure. 40, imposing this penalty is generally not a disqualification for future employment under the government. This is option number A, removal from service. 41, the framers of the Indian Constitution borrowed the idea of directive principle of state policy from, this option number D, the Constitution of Irish Republic. 42, which of the following types of rights have been described as first generation human rights? This option number B, civil and political rights. 43, which philosopher called the idea of natural rights nonsense on stilts? This option number D, Jeremy Bentham. 44, how many articles does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contain? This option number A, 30. 45, when was the International Year of Human Rights? This is option number B, 1968. 46, the provisions of environmental protection in the Constitution were made under, this option number D, Article 48 and 51 AG. 47, in which of the following date World Water Day is observed? This option number C, March 22nd. 48, at which of the following places first global conference on depletion of ozone layer was held? This option number B, Vienna. 49, The Washington Convention, whose formal name is abbreviated as CITES, is related to which among the following? This is option number C, endangered species. 1050, the World Health Assembly of WHO has designated 2020 as which year? This is option number A, the International Year of Nurse and the Midwife. 51, Section 162 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is for the protection of option number A, accused. 52, as per Schedule 1 of the Code of the Criminal Procedure 1973, if it is not specifically mentioned whether an offence under special enactment is cognizable or not, an offence punishable with imprisonment for less than 3 years is non-cognizable, option number B. 53, what is the minimum number of years of experience required to become public prosecutor? This option number is 7 years. 54, Section 44 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 deals with the power of the magistrate to arrest. This is option number B, Section 44. 55, Section 52 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 allows a person making an arrest to seize offensive weapons. 56, the maxim de minimis non curat lex means it means option number A, law would not take on small and trifling matter. 57, good faith as per the definition of IPC means it means option number C, an act done with due care and attention. 58, A finds a purse with money not knowing to whom it belongs. He afterwards discovers that it belongs to B and appropriates to his own use. A is guilty of this option number B, dishonest misappropriation of property. 59, a hangman who hangs the prisoners pursuant to the order of the court is exempt from criminal liability by virtue of option number B, Section 78 of IPC. 60, who is the public servant under IPC 1816 the following? This is option number D, all of the above. Arbitrator, army officer, every person who holds any office by virtue of which he is empowered to place or keep any person in confinement. 61, under which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 the opinion of examiner of electronic evidence is a relevant fact? Option number B, Section 45A. 62, declaration relating to existence of relationship is mentioned under option number D, Section 32 clause 5. 63, according to Section 65 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, the secondary evidence can be admitted in 7 exceptional cases. Option number C. 64, which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 has been amended by the Criminal Amendment Act 2013? This is option number C, Section 119, which deals with dumb witnesses. 65, Section 58 of the Indian Evidence Act deals with option number C, admitted facts which need not be proved. 66, A seller his car to B. A sells his car to B. A has a right to recover the price of the car from B. This right is option number B, right in personam. 67, A owns a residential flat. He is entitled to quiet possession and enjoyment of his property. This is called option number B, rights in rem. 68, Savigny's Volgis theory reveals option number C, spirit of the people. 69, who among the following is the author of the book Morality of Law? This is option number B, Lon Fuller. 70, lex inuista non est lex, which of the following meanings? This is option number C, an unjust law is not law. 71, who propounded the doctrine of living law? This is option number C, Eldridge. 72, who among the following is the author of the definition and theory in jurisprudence? This is option number A, H.L.A. Hart. 73, according to jurist Hofield, the correlative of liberty is this option number B, no right. 74, jura in re aliena includes these, it includes all of this: servitude, securities, lease. 75, unliquidated damages means option number A, damages to be assessed by a court as this is not predetermined. 76, every transfer of immovable property made with intent to defeat or delay the creditors of the transferor shall be option number A, voidable. 77, under the provision of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, an easement cannot be transferred apart from dominant heritage. This is actually the statement is true. Option number C. 78, according to the provisions of Section 19 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, option number A, the vested interest is not defeated by the death of the transferee before he obtains possession. 79, within the meaning of Section 4 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, the provisions of Sections 54, paragraph 2 and 3, Section 59, 107 and 123 shall be read as supplemented to option number B, Indian Registration Act 1908, 80. The principle of lease pendants embodied in section 52 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 pertains to option number B, public policy. 81, when is the communication of a proposal complete? This is option number A, when it comes to the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. 82, the main difference between de facto and de jure recognition is, this is option number 1, 2 and 3. This is option number A, which is 1, 2 and 3. De facto recognition may be withdrawn, while de jure recognition is full and final. 2, only de jure recognized states can represent the old states for the purpose of state succession. And 3, in de jure recognition, formal diplomatic relations are established, while in case of de facto, they may not be entered into. 83, which of these contracts has three parties consisting of creditor, principal, debtor and surety? This is option number D, contract of guarantee. 84, which of the following feature is not essential for a contract? This is option number A, it should be in writing only. 85, which among the following is ex officio chairman of Central Waqf Board, Waqf Council? This is option number B, union minister who is in charge of Waqf. 86, Quran provides the best procedure for divorce. Who made this statement? This is option number C, Justice Krishna Iyer. 87, how many new heads have been inserted in class 1 by the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005? This is option number B4. 88, desertion becomes a ground of divorce only if the petitioner has deserted been for a continuous period of not less than, this is option number B, 2 years immediately preceding the presentation of the petition. 89, reconciliation is laid down under section, option number B, section 23 clause 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act. 90, the case of Solomon versus Solomon and Company Limited lays the principle of option number A, this is separate legal entity. 91, the Code of Wage Act 2019 received the assent of the President on option number C, 8th of August 2019. 92, the Bill of Industrial Relation Code 2019 replaces option number A, the Trade Unions Act 1926, the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, the Industrial Employment and Standing Orders Act 1946. 93, when was the International Court of Justice established? This is option number B, 1945. 94, the categories of negligence are never closed. Who stated this? Option number B, Lord Macmillan. Libel includes all of these: painting, statute, cartoon. 96, the law of tort is largely, option number B, uncodified. 97, the maximum members in a private company can be option number D, 200. 98, a lower riparian state, this option number C, has right to share water on equitable basis. 99, a corporate veil can be lifted on all of these cases: evasion of taxes, determine the enemy character and avoidance of welfare legislation. 100, this section 7 clause 6 deals with the punishment for incorporation of a company by furnishing false statement. So this is the end of our session. With this question, I am ending this session today, and I hope you all have liked it. If you have any query, suggestion or feedback, you can share the same in the comment section below. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.